that C would be attached to 3 H's, then since you have 2 C's, which is the one that is complex and the one on top, you look at the second level, which is C attached to 3 heavy compounds and then, or 3 heavy parts, and then one just attached to 3 H's. Okay.
So in this case, when we're going from 1 to 2 to 3,
It's clockwise.
it's still clockwise, right?
So it's an R?
And the fourth group is
Wedge.
wedge.
So we flip it.
So we switch it to S. So SR for this human protection. So for this one. So I'm just gonna redraw
Isn't it RR?
this.
Sorry, isn't it RR?
No, because this one turned into R, this one to S.
So which one goes first?
It doesn't matter as long as you keep it consistent,
So
which
if,
I'll show in that one.
well, technically the way we did it, since we did the right one first, shouldn't it be RS?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'll show why. So for this one, so I started with this one, right? So this one's S. CH3BROH. Where is that here? This one, right? This side? Wait, first I'm gonna redraw this though. So since the dashes are not in between,
Dashes should be in between.
so that one, thank you like that. So I'm keeping that consistent, right? For this one, we started with this one's assignment. So I'm gonna do the same here. I'm gonna start with this one. Same ranking. So BR is 1, oxygen 2, 3, 4. In this case, it's going counter. So S. Fourth group is on the wedge. So R. That first. And then this one, same thing. CL goes first. Then this carbon. In that case, it's going counter as well. Fourth group is on wedge. So also R. And what would those be? Diesters.
I have a question. So we drew the second diagram to differ diagrams. So would you recommend doing them?
Yes, because the problem with this is if I were to number them,
It's not in the right direction.
yeah, so like you know how we go from 1
Counterclockwise.
to 2 to 3? Depending on like where it is, it might give you a different, like it might give you clockwise instead of counter.
Right.
Yeah.
How did you draw? What was your what were you thinking while you were drawing that diagram?
Yeah. So dashes top and bottom.
Yep.
And then I put the ones going down on the left.
So then it switched because
So-
I think you were confused about that. You said down was right, up was left. That's not what I was
Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. I was confused. I think I wrote it wrong.
It says
But I
long
mean,
as
it's
it's
not
consistent.
wrong, but as long as it's consistent.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm gonna change that. So down.
Just make it left, because we're always looking at it from the right side, right?
Down, left, upright. Yeah, because it was like the opposite. Okay. So as long as you keep it consistent, it should be good.
And then you get one CL.
And by checking that, so in this one, hydrogen's down, and this one's Br is down, right? So they're on the same side. That's how you check. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
which one's four? Wait, how did you get the numbers? One, it's C to CL. Two is C to BR. Three is three. I'm assuming since it's three.
A C
Wouldn't-
to O.
Yeah, wouldn't 4 be CH3?
There's no CH3 to this carbon. It's to this one.
And
We're
where's the
doing
number two?
it for each one, each chiral center.
So which one's number 2 for the top one? Oh, the C to
this-
C?
This C, yeah.
Ah, C to C, and then, okay, so then that would be counterclockwise, so that one would be an S, is it? Wouldn't that be halfway done then?
Half what?
Halfway done?
Halfway done?
Yeah, because you only did the top part. If you did the top part, then it is counterclockwise. Then you only get one of the two letters. How do you figure out the second letter? Shouldn't you do the bottom
I
part?
think she did both chiral centers.
Yeah. So for each one you get two letters.
Right.
That's what we're comparing.
Where's the second letter for this one?
The second letter?
Yeah.
This one? It was so 1, 2, 3.
Oh, those are the
So
numbers.
that's counterclockwise S, but the fourth group is on a wedge, so we turned it into a R.
Right. And the same thing with the first one. That's S. Is R to S. Okay. Is it? This can be. So the answer to that one will be RR.
Yeah. That one was RR. And the other one was SR, so it was diastereomers, because one is different